Cold morning. You turn the key on your Silverado. You hear it, a rattle from the front of the engine. 2 seconds, maybe 3, then gone. The first words you see are timing chain, followed by a 4-figure repair bill. That sound can come from the timing drive, but the sound alone doesn't prove it. Here is the one question that stops a guess from becoming a 4-figure bill. First job isn't to fix it, it's to name it. A timing drive rattle is metallic and busy, right at the front cover. A valve train tick is sharper and more even, following engine speed. An exhaust leak also ticks, but raspier. It usually quiets as the metal heats and seals. A deeper thumping knock is a different conversation. A squeal or chirp that changes when the accessories shut off isn't inside your engine at all. How long does it last? Only after sitting overnight or on a warm restart too? Any check engine light, rough running, or oil pressure warning riding along with it? Now the imitators. 3 of them are more common than a bad chain. The first is your exhaust manifold. Manifold bolts break and gaskets fail. That leak ticks or rattles on a cold start, then fades as everything expands and seals. Second is the common sound of piston slap. A cold piston sits with slightly more clearance in the bore, creating that signature sound. It's the noise that frightens owners the most and costs them the least. Third is oil that hasn't arrived yet. Low level, the wrong specification. Or a filter with a failed anti-drainback valve. A good mechanic rules these out before he opens up your engine. So when does the timing drive actually become the suspect? The rattle is lasting longer than it used to. 3 seconds became 8. It doesn't clear once oil pressure comes up, it just keeps going. The truck sets a cam-crank correlation code. It's running rough or down on power. The scan data shows cam timing off from where it's commanded. There's wear on the guides or debris where none belongs. A worn chain doesn't always set a code. Here's the part that saves the money. It's the order things happen in. What you can do yourself in your driveway for nothing. Check your oil, level, condition, and that it's the specification listed for your engine. Look at what filter's on there. Let it sit overnight and record the sound on your phone the next morning. That recording is worth more than any description you can give a service writer. Scan it and write down every code before clearing a single one. Verify actual oil pressure if the symptoms call for it. Use a stethoscope or chassis ear to separate engine noise from accessory noise. Confirm the source before that timing cover ever comes off. What test proved the timing drive was the source of the noise? If it is confirmed, what gets replaced depends on your exact engine. The chain, tensioner, guides, sprockets, seals, and gaskets. What it doesn't mean is a blanket parts list somebody copied off a forum. An AFM lifter repair or an AFM delete is not a small add-on. Different part of the engine, different parts, cam work, calibration, a great deal more labor. Don't let it get folded into a quote like it's a free upgrade. Get the diagnostic cost separated from the repair estimate in writing. A cold start rattle deserves attention. It does not deserve a timing chain estimate until somebody proves where the noise is coming from. The service writer hears a rattle and sees a labor ticket. You've got a truck that's already proven what it can do. That earns a diagnosis, not an obituary. Tell me your year, your engine if you know it, your mileage. If your Silverado's still earning its keep, hit subscribe.